Hello and welcome to RizeToday.com. Today we will be showing you how to do three things. Connect in your wallet, create your profile, and mint a single NFT. So first off, you will need either a Kepler wallet, a Cosmos Station wallet, or a Leap wallet. Today I will be using the Kepler wallet, and then we will be minting an NFT on the Coreum network. As of right now, we also have Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Avalanche available. Today we will be selecting Coreum. I'm choosing Coreum because they have some of the fastest and interoperable contracts, as well as fastest speeds and super cheap gas fees, so you aren't dealing with a lot of the things that you have to deal with on Ethereum. Once I select my network, then I will slide over here to Wallet Connect, and then I will connect my Kepler wallet. And this is a small tutorial page. You can read through these. When you decide to connect, it'll basically tell you everything I'm doing right now. Wallet connect, set up your profile, create a collection, mint an NFT, put on sale, purchase now, place a bid, accept the sell, and chat with other artists. I'm going to go ahead and just get started for today. So first thing we want to do is come on and create a profile. Even if you don't have any NFTs, it's a good idea to go ahead and create yourself a profile. Then you can be ready to receive possible airdrops, possible NFTs from other companies, and maybe you want to use some of our messaging features and chat with each other. But today, let's go ahead and click Edit Profile. And as you see, mine's already selected. So you can select an image and you can put it in here. I recommend doing a 400 by 400 pixel image. You put that, you upload a file. Once you select it, you pick a file and then you put it right in there. You can go ahead and select a username. You can add your email address if you want to. Type in a little bio about yourself. You can also include a website, your Facebook page, Twitter, Telegram, Spotify, Instagram, SoundCloud, and Bandcamp. Feel free to share and express your interest. This just shows what your wallet address is. Once you have at least your image and your username, go ahead and click Update Profile. You should get a beautiful green check mark that says Successfully Updated the Profile. If I leave my mouse on this, it will not disappear. So we're going to move my mouse off so it can go away. Or you can go ahead and click it and make it go away faster. Now when I go back into my profile, I should see that. And then if I added a Twitter or another extension, it'll give you a little symbol for each one of those that you added right here. These will be for verified members. We will discuss that process later. So today, the first thing you always need to do before creating an NFT, so I'm going to go to my collections today. And then I already have a collection created, but we're going to make a quick collection for you guys just to show you the process. So today we're going to upload a random image. I'm going to use one of these. This is actually one of our special raffle NFTs coming soon. Then you can upload a banner image. The recommended sizing is right here, 1400 by 400. I would actually recommend going to something like Canva. They have a customized size feature on here that you can use and then get this exact banner size. But for today, I'm just going to pop the same image in there. Then we're going to give it the collection a name. You cannot change this collection name once you have created it. I'm just going to call it Collection 1. I'm going to select a category. We'll go photography. And then you can type in a nice description. I'm just going to go ahead and do some random letters. You can also put spaces in returns. I noticed that double spacing, even though it looks big, can look really nice when you want to have some separation. And then some of these features are being updated as we speak for bold, italic, and that. You can always come back in and change your description. You just can't change your collection name. You can add royalties where the wallet, you can add a wallet address. I'll just add this for now and say, here we go. We're going to paste that in there. And then I'm going to say 10% goes back to this wallet. And then we have custom terms and conditions. If you are in the United States, most NFTs that offer you some sort of kickback, you're not allowed to receive. So if you are a project or you're minting something that is offering somebody else something in return, make sure that you talk to your proper authorities and the people in your district or an attorney and come up with some proper terms and conditions for any NFTs that you may sell so you don't have any type of legal backlash. So I'm going to go ahead and just put something in here as a sample for now, just so you can see the process. I'm going to hit create collection. You can also add more royalties than just one if you need to. Sometimes that's nice for certain projects, because then you can automatically have amounts sent to 5 or 6 different wallets if you need to. Okay, I'm going to approve. And there it is. There's our collection. I'm going to go ahead and click on it to view it. See what I mean? This picture doesn't look that great because it wasn't done in the proper sizing, so make sure you're using 1400 length by 400 up and down. And then see how there's nice spacing in between the words there. If you do a double space, definitely gives a better look. And then you're going to hit create NFTs, but I'm going to go ahead and actually create an NFT that I got a request for. All right, so I'm going to come in here and go right to create NFT. Today we're just creating a single NFT. I'm going to click single. We're doing a custom Rize 3D file, so we're going to click file, preview image, and then I have a custom made preview image, and we're doing MP4 video. We recommend if you're doing preview images on MP4 videos that they're no more than 8 to 9 megabytes. Then our 3D file. It's going to be sold in the core token. Rize token will be available in the near future. The name of this NFT. I have a description I already pre-wrote right over here, so I'm going to select this and copy that, and then I'm going to paste that. There we go. And then I want it to go to the Rize member collection, and then always the last thing that you should do is this if you're going to do it. This is always the last step. So we're going to select a JSON file, and then I'm going to go to my JSON file, and there's my updated one. And if you filled in your JSON file correctly, which we have a format that is built out for you so you know what format to use, then all of your properties will show up correctly within here. If this file is not correct, it will not show up correct in here. Okay, those are all the things. I added my preview image, I added my 3D file, it's in Coreum, there's my name, there's my description. Now I'm going to go ahead and create an NFT. I just click create. You see, so now the 3D file has been uploaded, and click approve. And successfully created an item. You can see the items here. I'm going to go ahead and X that out. And then I'm going to scroll on down to the new NFT. So this was a custom build for somebody. They really like the color yellow, and they like their banana man. So we added a banana man for them and gave them a little highlighted yellow background. And they were very pleased with their product. We were happy to make that for them. We do make custom Rize member NFTs for each individual. These are just the preview images. If you click the play button, if there is a play button on an NFT, it's either for music or some sort of video or a 3D file. Again, 3D files take the longest to upload. You can see a little loading symbol here, but you can also see a loading bar slowly coming across the top. They can only get so fast with loading material like that. I'm sure there'll be some better features in the near future, but here is one view of one of these NFTs. They're pretty marvelous. You can move them around and play with them a little bit and get all different directions. You can change the background on them. You can zoom in really close on them. And these NFTs are also 3D meditative AR, which is alternative reality. You'll be able to use these in different metaverses, and it'll be like your own little Jarvis if you want it to be. And that's the AI that helped Iron Man out. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop that and play that. I appreciate you guys coming through and listening about how the Rize ecosystem works. That's just the beginning. Thank you for coming to rizetoday.com. Don't forget to check out our membership NFTs. If you have questions, you can reach us on Telegram, Discord, or if you go ahead and create your profile, you can click messages and then you can find Rize. And it's probably not going to find myself, but that's okay. If I type in somebody else I know on here, like Young Brendo, there you go. And then we can chat in between each other right on here if you like. And we also have email at support@rizetoday.com. That's support@rizetoday.com. Thank you. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter. That's Rize Today on Twitter. That is @Rize Today on Twitter.